Rotary is a world organization started way back in 1905. So it is almost 121 organization. Subsequently, in 1917, they started Rotary Foundation. And now through foundation, uh, the clubs which are spread over, there are approximately 1.24 million Rotarians and Retractors put together. They are doing this service with the help of the financial help that we get from the Rotary Foundation. And there are a lot of private philanthropic organizations like Bill Gates and Rajeshwar Birla from India. We are contributing immensely for one of our major projects, that is polio eradication. Say, India is totally free from polio for the last 10 to 12 years, and almost 99.9% of the countries are free from polio. And that advocacy for polio eradication was initiated by Rotary, and we have almost completed the project except for two countries, our neighboring countries, which are still endemic. And besides that, we do a lot of projects which are of community benefit. And that will be continued for years to come.
Hi, myself Gaurav Pukle, and today is the third installation of Rotary Club of Dona Paula. Rotary Club of Dona Paula is working towards the community service and a lot of other activities towards the people of Goa. Our signature project for our year is going to be the women's toilet, and which is going to be Goa's first only women's toilet. We call it a pink toilet, wherein you'll have various facilities, right from a changing room, mother care and child care room, then sensory pad incinerator and vending machine, and much more. We are also going to take care of environment, that is through our programs that will give upliftment to sanitation workers and a lot of environment projects. We are happy to also announce today that we will be adopting a school which has almost 172 odd students, and we already have adopted two schools which we will continue our work to provide them support. And I'm really thrilled and happy. I look forward towards a better opportunity to serve people.